On this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add new services to Labmon topologies. So here we have a Labmon topology. We have EWC, an access point, and an idle machine. So first thing we're going to do is to add two new devices. So for this, I'm going to add, let's say, a CMX and a radio server. So let's type here CMX Lite. This is a CMX package as a container. On the device template, we say the type is container. That's it. And now I radius server. Again, type is container, and that's pretty much it. Now we tell Labmon where to connect these two new containers. We connect here to this switch. And we're going to restart the topology. Since now we added two new devices, we need to restart the topology, so Labmon goes to the lab and establish the new connections. Please note, we didn't say which kind of service we want to run on these containers. We have said there will be two new containers on this topology. Once the topology is restarted, we can change the service at any time without any modification at all. Now, the idea of the services, they are Docker containers that can run a Kubernetes cluster on the lab. But since usually you need more things than just a container. So we have an object, which is a catalog item, which is a container plus some config files. We will see how this works. So on the console here, you see we have a wireless controller, show NMSP status, nothing is there. So let's go there and add the CMX. Go here, container properties. And we could put any Docker image that can be on Docker Hub, can be on any Cisco repository. But instead of that, let's go to the catalog. We say this is we want an MSP client. Here we can get some instruction on how to use it. So we will use this one, apply, and we need to put two parameters. The IP address of this new CMX, let's choose the 971.1.1, for example, and the IP address of the wireless controller, 99.71.50. These are IP addresses private to the testbed. Can be reused, they're just private to this topology. So we did that, and now you can see here the status changed to container created. And in a few moments, this is up and running, and this is the access point. And here you see the message that CMX came up. We can run some SP status, and here is the IP address of the CMX up and running with 0 time to deploy the service. Let's say we want to add a new service, this radio server, we do the same. Click here, catalog, free radios, apply. Here we choose the IP address, 99.71.1.12. And on this one, you can see more things can be customized. You can put the secret for the wireless controller, some users, and so on. Let's put create a new user. And this is it. So with these steps, we just deployed a radio server on our topology. Now we can see this is up and running now. We can go here. I want to see the logs from the radio server, for example. We can click here and get logs. We go to any console. This can be any console on your laptop, for example, like this, or in the lab. We paste this command, and you see the log file from the radio server. If you need to access the console of the container, also you can do that. You go here, paste this command, and this is the console of the radio server in this case. So you can see PSX, this is free radio running, and this is it. Thank you very much.